Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 1. After apple picking. Right from the crack of dawn, I felt a tug in my bones that whispered of fading light. I walked the orchard rows, tapping my pockets for courage, hoping the season would treat me right. All day I climbed ladders, talking to myself, keeping my spirits tight. Even my phone buzzed with chores, but I kept at the apples, trusting my aim and bite. By noon I was dog-tired, yet I pushed on, telling luck to sit tight. Kids passed by with jokes from every era, cheering me on in my odd little right. Evening rolled in with neon signs and crickets teaming up to ignite a curious calm, soft and bright. I leaned on a barrel, hearing my heartbeat steady as a streetlight. I knew sleep was coming, heavy as winter, brushing my cheeks like a frost-kissed kite. I let my mind drift, mixing old dreams with new tech, everything swirling just right. Now listen to the poem. My day of apples leans toward sleep. A ladder's memory lingering deep. The scent of harvest fills my head, half-waking worlds by labor fed. The sheet of ice I skimmed at dawn still haunts my thoughts as night moves on. Each apple missed, each apple caught, returns in dreams my hands have wrought. Fatigue now blurs the earthly call, as winter's drowse begins to fall. Whether human sleep or something colder, the question grows as moments smolder. Yet all I've done still softly lies between the earth and starry skies.